So in this video, we're going to do the leaves for the leafy vines on the crochet hanging tea light lantern. I'm going to need 4 vines that have 7 leaves and 4 vines that have 4 leaves. And we start with a 6.5 millimeter hook and our green yarn. We're going to chain 5. 4, oh, come on, 4, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 5. Okay, so we've got chain 5. In the first chain from, or the second chain from the hook, we're going to do a single crochet, and the next a half double crochet, and then a double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch that last chain. And then we're going to chain 2, chain 2, and go into, we're going to double crochet in the same chain as the last double crochet. And then a half double crochet. And then a single crochet. Chain 3 and slip stitch that first chain. And then we're going to slip stitch down the center chain here. So pull through with the yarn and slip stitch. Go through the next, pulling the yarn from the back and slip stitch. Then we're going to slip stitch a 3rd time and then a 4th time. And now we have a cute little leaf. So we're going to chain 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're going to essentially do the same thing again. So we're going to single crochet in that second chain from the hook, then half double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, and chain 2, go back and double crochet in that same chain as the last double crochet, half double crochet, and then single crochet, chain 3, slip stitch the first chain, and then slip stitch down the center. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you reach your last leaf, you're going to chain 12, so that way you create that loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then to make that loop, you just go back and slip stitch that first chain. And there's your loop, and then you just finish off and you can run your yarn through the back of the leaf. Oh, also the PDF pattern for this is on my Etsy shop. Link is in my channel. See you with the next one.